Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chimax Godwin, and in today's video I will be showing us how to create a logo with Canva in just 5 minutes. You can actually create a logo with Canva in just 5 minutes. You can create a logo for your brand, your logo for your product, and so many other things. So without wasting time, let's go into the video properly. Okay, now to get started, all you have to do is to come over to Chrome browser and search for Canva. Click on enter. Let's open this link. In Canva you can do so many things: whiteboard, you can create logo, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, YouTube banner. We are going to be creating other tutorials for this. As you can see, I've used it to create this YouTube cover here. I'm going to be making a tutorial on it, so make sure you stick to this channel. So now let's go over to the video of the day, which is to create a logo. So just select a logo here. In Canva you can see so many templates you can pick from, so we can go with the template. So as you can see here, you will have so many templates, free and pro templates to choose from. So this ones with a crown is a pro template, while these ones are free. So let's go ahead and pick one. You can also search from these categories: school, coffee, flower, tech. Let's say tech, something like this. This is a free template, so let's say we are taking this one. So you can actually edit everything. We can edit the text, the icon, and everything. So to edit this, just double click on the text and then you can type in your own. Let's say up zone, and then for the icon you can choose to replace the icon. You can duplicate, you can delete the icon and add your own if you have an icon. So for example, let me delete this icon, and then if you go over to elements, you can pick any element here. If I go to uploads, you can see I uploaded a picture here, so I can just use this picture for an example and crop this. So you can delete this. You can use only text, up zone, bring it down. So then you can change the font here. You can go with some free fonts. Ctrl A to select all, and then you click on the fonts. There are so many free fonts here. I'll be making a video on how to get access to Canva Pro, so make sure you stick to this channel. So here it is. Just select a free font if you are using the free version, just as I'm using this. As you can see, you can feel free to add elements down here. Increase it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be creating new video on how to create YouTube channel ads, banner and thumbnail. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now to save your design, come over to share here, click on download, and download here. As you can see, it's downloading. So if you come over to this place, your logo is ready. Here it is. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.